Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Heroes and zeros of assembly session. Vijay Sardesai Sawal topped the list on grilling government. Montserrat couple scores 0 on all fronts. Goa Assembly online assembly proceedings a semi-success. 57% MLAs use online modes for tabling questions. Over 3,000 questions, 1,500 online. Tension at Ponda Market. Wall collapse blocks main entrance of market. Vendors block main road. Councillor tells vendors to approach court on Sopo issue. Congress party suspends Alex Sequeira from party. Criticizes CM Parrikar's decision on renewal of mining leases. Says it's against PM's policy. Amaravati Express halted at Kurchode railway station for 2 hours after suspecting a bomb on train. Bomb disposal squad confirms it as fake information. And Bhakti Kulkarni and Ivana Furtado to lead Goa's challenge at 41st National Women's Chess Championship in Mapsa. Odisha's Padmini Raut will be the top seed. Now the news in detail. Monsoon session of Goa State Assembly has concluded. 21 days session was full of power-packed performances right from the moment it started. The total working time of this session rose up to 135 hours and 30 minutes. Prudent brings the heroes, zeros and stars of this assembly session. Watch this special report.
Prudent analysis 21 days of assembly session which went on for 135 hours and 30 minutes. Who were the heroes who rocked the assembly with their fiery speeches and questions and power-packed performances? Overall, Vijay Sardesai and Naresh Sawal proved to be highly efficient performers. Rohan Khaute also showed his mettle. From the opposition, Alex Reginald led the front to the hilt. Watch the duration of speeches of MLAs during demands, budget and discussion on mining, who were active and vociferous. Pratap Singh Rane, 3 hours 35 minutes. Vijay Sardesai, 3 hours 21 minutes. Subhash Faldesai, 2 hours 54 minutes. Pramod Sawant, 2 hours 43 minutes. Nilesh Cabral, 2 hours 36 minutes. Alex Reginald, 2 hours 35 minutes. Now a look at the MLAs who preferred to stay mum while their colleagues were battling the issues. Montserrat couple tops the list. May it be demand, budget or discussion on mining, Babush Montserrat and Jennifer Montserrat preferred to remain mum. Vishwajit stuck to basic issues but he rose to speak only on 5 attempts. Babush Montserrat spoke for 0 minutes. Jennifer Montserrat spoke for 0 minutes. Vishwajit Rane 58 minutes. Carlos Almeida 1 hour 4 minutes. Rajan Naik 1 hour 10 minutes. These are 5 MLAs who pushed the government on the razor edge during demands. They highlighted government's mistakes and goof-ups time and again. They are Vijay Sardesai, Rohan Khaute, Naresh Sawal, Digambar Kamath and Nilesh Cabral. Vijay Sardesai has topped in this category too. Vijay Sardesai was aggressive during question hours and demand speeches. He also pointed out glaring errors in the budget. Even though Rohan Khaute backed the government, he was seen grilling the administration on many issues. Naresh Sawal proved to be dark horse, especially for the government has stumped CM with his statistical expose on budget and finance. Digambar Kamath's experience came in handy during debates, but he was not aggressive enough. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Goa Assembly has achieved another milestone commencing e-assembly sessions. Though it was not 100% success, the start was commendable. Around 57% members placed their questions through emails. Session concluded on Thursday. Any layman can now access any information related to monsoon session of Assembly on its official website.
Goa Assembly is gradually moving towards being paperless. The first trial of e-assembly of paperless proceedings of the House was carried out during monsoon session of the Assembly. Most of the MLAs in the House are young and technically alert, ready to adapt to new modern techniques. This helped in moving towards paperless assembly. Special training was given to legislators on paperless assembly. E-Assembly was a historic move by Goa State Legislative Assembly. In all, 1,089 starred questions, 2,216 unstarred questions. In total, 3,305 questions were placed on the table of the House, out of which 1,505 questions were online. 57% MLAs asked their questions online.
ही विधानसभा म्हणटा तेन्ना सगळ्या प्रश्नांच्यो जापो तशेंच कामकाजाची जोड माहिती विधानसभेच्या संकेतस्थळाचेर आमी अपलोड केली. कागदमुक्त विधानसभा करपाचे दिशेन गोंय विधानसभेचें हें इतिहासीक अशें पावल आसलें. ही कामकाजाची सदस्यांक संवय जावची म्हणून खासा प्रशिक्षणय दिलें. विधानसभेच्या कामकाजाची माहिती विधानसभेच्या संकेतस्थळाचेर अपलोड केलें. कारण सामान्य मनशाकय ही माहिती खंयच्याय वेळार आतां पळोवपाक मेळटा.
State Assembly has uploaded all the information on its official website. If a common man accesses any kind of information, you can get the information at your fingertips. But people who have logged in this website, especially journalist fraternity, feels that more upgradation is required. Himachal Pradesh has the honor of being first to introduce E-Assembly, followed by Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Vendors were boiling with rage when they discovered that wall of an old structure was raised down, blocking the access to entrance of the market. Around 400 vendors hit the streets and blocked the road, doubting municipality to be behind this act. Later, police rushed to the spot and brought the situation under control. Municipality cleared the debris by afternoon and restored the access to market. Councillor Venkatesh Naik cleared that wall collapsed on Friday night and was not raised down by the municipality.
Wall of the old structure was found collapsed at Ponda Market Upper Bazaar area. The debris blocked the access road of vendors to the market, who are already miffed with municipality over SOPO issue. Vendors blocked the road and protested.
पयलींची जे शॉपां आशिल्ली ती राती डेमोलिश JCB हाडून डेमोलिश केल्या आनी आमची एकूच वाट आशिल्ली ती वाट तेणी पॅक केली. आनी जो सोपो टॅक्स आसा जो कलेक्टर तो फक्त नांवाचो आसा, जो ऋषिकेश केरकर, आनी हो सोपो टॅक्स राधिके नायकान घेतलेलो आसा. म्हणून ही चळवळ आयज सगळी वेपाऱ्यांचेर अन्याय करता. सोपो टॅक्स ती पड्ड्या फाटल्यान आसा. जर तर आमची परत सतावणूक करीत जाल्यार आमी हे मार्केट बंद करतले. हे आमकां कळपाना की वेपाऱ्यांचे आमचे एक वोट आसा आनी एक वोट उरतली, अशीच उरतली. FIR फायल केल्या तेंचेर. JCBक आमी अरेस्ट कर म्हणून सांगल्या. जी म्युनिसिपालिटी हाडली ती तुमी सील करात आनी जे स्टाफ आयले तांकां अरेस्ट करात आनी FIR फायल कर म्हणून सांगल्या. ताका जर अरेस्ट जायना आमी अशेंच करतलो, आंदोलन करतलो. आंदोलन तेन्नाच खबर करतलो.
Situation was tensed. Later, police intervened in the matter and diffused the situation. Ponda municipality cleared the debris of collapsed wall by Saturday afternoon. Councillor Venkatesh Naik challenged the vendors to approach the court on SOPO issue. He also cleared that the wall had collapsed and it was not raised down by the municipality.
वाट क्लियर करपाक जाल्यार ह्या बाकीचे व्यापारी आसा, किशोर मामलेकार तेजो भाव कितें येवन सगळे ते बाकी बायलां हाडून तेणें ते रायजे बसयले वाटेचेर की आमी तुमकां ती वाट क्लियर करपाक दिवचे ना म्हणून. आमी तुमचें कितें आहा, तुमचो सोपोचो वाट वेगळो आनी वाटेचो वाट हें वेगळें. ते सोंपे वाट ते कितें आहा, मार्केटवाल्यांक रंग हाडपाचो आशिल्लो, ते रंग हाडटा. ताका आमी कितें करूं? तो गव्हर्मेंटान जो रेट दिला कितें जो तांकां जर मान दिना जाल्यार तेणें कोर्टान वचचें अवश्य.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.